James Corby.
And Jim Ryder from Village Mortgage.
We're here for the third episode of The Real Realtors, and today we're talking about why it's important to get pre-qual or pre-approved before you start looking.
Yes, and we have Jim Ryder here, who's a direct lender, to tell us a little bit about that.
Okay. Well, first of all, a direct lender, okay, a little bit different than a broker.
Yep.
We have our own money, we have our own underwriters, and we close with our own money. So the service to the client, when you're buying a house, it's going to be much, much better. Now, not everyone owns a house, but almost everyone owns a car.
Right.
So when you're looking to purchase a car, you would never go into a dealership and start test driving all these very expensive cars just to go to the finance table and find out it's too expensive. Can't afford it. So it's the same thing when you're shopping for a house. Okay, you have to get qualified. And we're winging it right now. But I wanted to do like, pretend I'm the mortgage person and they're my clients. They're coming in and they're going to buy a house.
We're going to buy a house.
That's
All
it.
right.
So what I would do is I would find out, first of all, do you guys have a 2-year job history? Where do you work?
I could say I work for Bill Heen Group at William Ravis, and I've been there for 2.5 years.
Check off, okay? Got a 2-year job history.
Ding.
That's very, very important.
Yep.
Number 2, how much money do you make, okay, per year?
Enough.
Enough? All right. so it makes enough money. Boom, we take that money, whatever that is. Now the third part would be assets, okay?
Right.
How much do you have in your checking? How much do you have in your savings?
Exactly.
Do you have a 401k? Basically, I take all that information and I will figure out, okay, how much you want to put as a down payment, if any. Because there's a bunch of different programs out there.
You mean there's programs where you don't have to have a down payment?
There's 3 programs. We're not going to get into this today, but there's
Next week.
there's 3 programs where you actually don't need any money and the seller can pay all your closing costs.
Yeah.
So it's really cool.
Tune in next week for that.
Yeah, tune in next week for that one. So basically, once I have your job history for 2 years,
Yep.
your income,
Yep.
your assets,
Yep.
okay, then what happens is I can figure out, with your help, how much you can afford.
Yep.
How much house you can afford.
Exactly.
Once you know how much house you can afford, then you can go back to your realtor, give them that information, and then start shopping, knowing you can afford that house.
And you know what? That makes you a stronger buyer at the end of the day, because if it comes down to us with your pre-qualification and somebody else that's not pre-qualified, we can guarantee that you're going to get picked.
Yeah, that's right.
Absolutely.
So hopefully that helped.
Thank you so much. Thanks
Yes.
for coming, and thanks for watching The Real Realtors.
Cool. Tune in next week.